How's everybody doing today? It is election day in the United States. It is November 3rd, 2020, and this is going to be a quick video, kind of a follow-up to what I had talked about in the video that I just posted. You need to check this out because this is going to be everywhere, okay? We know what's coming. We've been talking about this. We know tracking, testing, and then tracing, and then obviously we know the vax is coming. It's going to be mandatory, okay? Now, let's listen to this. Look at this. This came out today, okay? It says Europe considers testing everyone. Right? We know this is what they want worldwide. Considers testing everyone for CV-19. Look at this. You have nothing to lose. Right? Wow, right? It's insane. Look at this. Slovakia's test of its entire population has fueled a debate over whether testing should be far more sweeping. Everybody, it's coming. We talked about this. Just like the mask, how it went step by step, and we knew it was going to do that. Testing, we knew this is going to happen, and we know what's coming next. The vax will be all the same. You can always just replace the word mask with the test. Then now after the test, you can replace it with the vax. It's coming, okay? It says, European governments beset by an autumn wave of CV-19 are turning to mass testing, in some cases screening swaths of their population at once, in a bid to contain a pandemic that has forced nations into lockdown they can't sustain. Oh, they can't sustain them? Then why are they doing them? Come on now, right? The numbers don't add up. You don't have to continue to give us that, And I can't read all this because they want me to obviously pay for it, but we'll finish out what we can see. It says starting Friday, the UK is asking every resident of Liverpool to get a CV-19 test. The government said Tuesday. Guess what, right? The military will provide logistics, and if the testing proves useful, the government will expand it into other major cities. So if you live in the UK, if you live in Europe, you need to be ready. This is going to happen everywhere. So if you're in the United States, you better be ready too. It's happening everywhere. You can see it. We've been talking about it. Now we must prepare, okay? Make a plan today, please. Plan with your family because I truly believe we're going to be put in some situations where you're going to have to act very fastly. And if you don't have a plan and you're not ready and prepared, those, first 72 hours could be the complete difference between you and your family being safe, getting away, getting to wherever you need to go, doing whatever you need to do, or you being stuck in a situation, in an area, in a possibly targeted area where you do not want to be, okay? Everybody, stay safe, stay strong, continue to pray, please. Like I said, right now, you must have your faith. You must have a relationship with God. You can see every single day the evil is taking over. It's running rampant, okay? So right now, you need to have the full armor of God. So if you haven't, please hit your knees, ask for forgiveness. I promise you, you will never regret it. Everybody, stay safe. Protect your family at all cost. We'll talk to you real soon. God bless.